Let's see if there's like a link. We're coming in at 9 o'clock tomorrow. Hey, we'll definitely get this over. You'll have it on your player.
Good afternoon, visitors. The vessel you currently see arriving through the Duluth Ship Canal is the Samuel DeChamplain. The cement barge Innovation was built in 1996 by the Bay Shipbuilding Company of Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin. She measures 460 feet in length, 70 feet in width, and 26 feet in depth. She has a maximum carrying capacity of 19,500 tons of cement. The tug Samuel DeChamplain was built in 1975 in Houston, Texas. She measures 140 feet in length, 39 feet in width, and 20 feet in depth. She is powered by two 7,200 horsepower, 20-cylinder EMD diesel engines, which give her a top speed of 15 knots or 17 miles per hour. The tug and barge measure a combined length of 543 feet. Both the barge Innovation and the tug Samuel DeChamplain are owned by American Transport Leasing Incorporated, a subsidiary of LaFarge Incorporated of Alpena, Michigan, and operated by Andre Inc. of Muskegon, Michigan. The Samuel DeChamplain and Innovation are arriving in the Twin Ports today to unload cement at LaFarge Superior. If you see any crew members on deck, make sure to give them a big wave and welcome them back to the Twin Ports.